बैंक डिपॉजिटर्स को अपना पैसा 5 लाख की कीमत तक का मिलेगा। दूसरा, इसको विस्तार में माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी बताएंगे। दूसरा निर्णय जो कहा गया है वो भी देश भर में लगभग 2,30 लाख के 2.3 लाख 2,30,000 लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी पार्टनरशिप जो फर्म्स हैं उनका भी कार्य क्षेत्र के अंतर्गत करोड़ों लोग काम करते हैं। उसमें जो लॉ अबाइडिंग कॉरपोरेट्स हैं उनको भी ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस का लाभ देने के लिए और जो लगातार एक प्रयास सरकार ने किए उसमें कंप्लायंस बर्डन भी कम हो, उसमें जो क्रिमिनलिटी थी उसको हटाकर पेनल्टी के रूप में किया है ताकि जो सामान्य प्रवृत्ति के उल्लंघन है उसको कारावास की बजाय जुर्माने की व्यवस्था की है। इससे भी उसको कामकाज करने में लाभ मिलेगा और ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस को और आत्मनिर्भर भारत को भी बल मिलता है। तीसरा, एक एमओयू जो किया गया है, मल्टीलैटरल मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ये भी इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज सेंटर जो हमारा IFSCA है, अथॉरिटी है उसका, और मल्टीलैटरल एजेंसी जो IOSCO है, इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी कमीशंस, और IAIS जो इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंश्योरेंस सुपरवाइजर्स है, इसके बीच में किया गया है। इसके अलावा जो जम्मू कश्मीर को लेकर एक निर्णय किया, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि जम्मू कश्मीर के यूटी बनने के बाद, लद्दाख के बनने के बाद वहाँ के कर्मचारियों को, जिससे पहले सुविधा पहले थी चंडीगढ़ के बेंच में केंद्र के कर्मचारियों को मिलती थी, अब ये निर्णय जो किया गया है इसमें जम्मू व श्रीनगर केंद्रीय प्रशासनिक अधिकरण।
Well, we are going to be tracking the developments very closely. That, of course, is the cabinet briefing. With that, we are going to be slipping into a short break. Don't go anywhere.
We will be covering 50. Now, accessing depositors' money has been an issue of also when will it be given, what conditionality prevails. Normally, at least proven history says 8 to 10 years it takes. Only after the complete liquidation do they get their money of insurance. But now what we are saying is, even if there is a moratorium on a bank, which means everything is frozen, depositors are not able to take their money out of their accounts, even at that time, this measure will set in. Anurag ji referred to it by saying 90 days ke andar. What it actually means is first 45 days will go for the bank which is now in distress to collect all the accounts where the claims will have to be made, and then it will be given to this insurance company which in real time will check it all up, and nearer the 90th day you will get the money, or in and around the 90th day you will get the money. At least by 90th day, 90th, 91st, 95th, whatever. Within 90 days the process will be definitely completed, and not waiting for the eventual liquidation or not even waiting for the eventual resolution. Suppose somebody else comes and takes the bank and the bank is revived again also. But if that process takes, let's say 3 years, 4 years, we are not waiting for that. This will give relief 90 days and immediately after that. The process itself is 45 plus 45 days. Let's understand that. And then this clearance now therefore is going to give relief for all those institutions which have already come under moratorium. It's not going retrospectively completely back. But if your bank has already been declared under moratorium, you will also be covered by it. So in the future this will be the practice, and now for those banks which are already declared under moratorium also this will cover. Now deposit insurance premium is normally paid by the banks themselves. The bank which has its deposits, its customers, they are the ones who pay the bank. It's not charged of customers. Here, every bank actually used to have 10 paisa premium given for 100 rupees of deposit. This is now being raised to 12 paisa. We are saying it should not be more than 15 paisa at any point in time per 100 rupees. So that is being made explicit, and we are also making sure that we will have an enabling provision in case banks feel that this has to go up, for them to go up, but within a certain prescribed limit which will be determined by the government in consultation with the RBI. So this is largely what this cabinet approval means. These are the major substantive amendments that we're talking about. Minor definitional changes are also coming through here, but largely this will be the biggest relief we can offer to those small depositors, and going by the figures that we have, will be nearly covering 9